It's really important that you understand this chart behind me. This is Ethereum because whatever Ethereum does is what most of your altcoins are about to do. And I believe there's going to be a huge altcoin rally with how we've broken things down on this channel with the Bitcoin dominance, creating negative divergence. Bitcoin has made new all-time highs. I believe Bitcoin's going much higher than where we're at right now. I think we're at 110,000 as I'm making this video. Ethereum is going to go a lot higher than where it's at right now. I want you to look at that yellow arrow as I'm talking on this video because a big move is about to happen. And when Ethereum makes its big move, that means your altcoins like Jasmy will make a big move and all the other ones that we talk about on this channel. So make sure you drop a like, you subscribe to the channel, of course. This is not financial advice. I'm not financial advice. It's all my own opinion. And I go over the charts with you guys. I focus really on three indicators, the MACD, the stochastic, and the RSI. So if you want to learn more about this and how the markets move, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you're feeling. So right now with Ethereum, you can see that we have a MACD cross that has happened on a weekly time frame. That's why we had that big green candle that you see over there. Right now, we're trying to break the 50 on a Fibonacci. The next area, once this breaks, which I think we're trying to break out right now. I mean, if you look at these candles, this weekly candle is making new highs from the previous week candles. So the next area we want to look for Ethereum is about $3,000. You can see right now that Ethereum is actually priced at $2,675. Bitcoin is a little over 110,000. And I think now is the time to really start to understand what's about to happen, guys. So make sure you're locked in. Make sure you understand that it's a good idea, in my opinion, to hold some crypto. Tell your grandma, tell your cousins, tell whoever, because we've been making videos for 2.5 years now, and crypto is up massively in the last 2.5 years. I remember in 2023, September 2023, Bitcoin was priced at $25,000. It's not that long ago, guys. It's about almost 2 years ago, and Bitcoin is now over $100,000. So this is not a joke. This is a very real thing. Crypto will be in our future. You have to make sure that you're holding the right coins, though. We're going to look at the fear and greed index today as well and the total market cap. Now, what you see here is the last 90 days of the fear and greed index. This is a great indicator for beginners. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, when we are in extreme greed, which you can see right here, that is a great time to probably take some profit. Because if you bought down here, which you could see in fear and extreme fear, which we bought, and I explained exactly why to all of you, and of course, any Patreon members out there, you are up massively. Basically, crypto has pumped since April of 2025. So you want to buy in these areas, I mean, depending on your risk tolerance, and you want to start to sell in extreme greed. Right now, we're in greed. Almost 2.5 years, guys. I launched this in December of 2022, and we have grown it to 1,019 members. For the first time, I'm actually raising my prices for all new members starting June 1st, 2025. Now, before you rush and you click the links out down below to purchase this, make sure you read the About Me. Okay, make sure I align with your goals. I want to make sure that this actually makes sense for you. Here are some of the actual results of people that are part of the Patreon and what has happened. Let me sum it up for you. Someone made 4 million, another person made 100 grand, another person made their first $1 million, pretty big deal. Another person made 14 grand, another person made 26,000, plus a lot of other members. This is just what I could collect so far. Now, here's the good news. If you're an active member and you've been with me for the last 2.5 years or even 6 months or even a year, I will never raise prices on you. Even if you join today, I will never raise prices on you. Just new members starting June 1st, prices will be raised. I put in a lot of work into this. I make posts usually every other day. We have over 1,800 posts and over 1,016 active members. So if you've been thinking about it, make sure you go to the links out down below. The prices you see today will never be back. I promise you. Lock in with me and let's win. Now, there are a ton of people calling for a bloody summer, right? It's May 27th. June is right around the corner. Okay, June is going to be a great month. I said May is going to be a great month. It's been a great month so far for crypto. But I don't believe all of summer is going to be great for crypto. I do believe there will either be a top, like a for sure top, and we'll know more by looking at Bitcoin and the indicators I shared with you guys. I made a video yesterday telling you of the exact top for Bitcoin. So once that tops, we'll start to analyze and be able to understand where are these altcoins going next, right? We'll look at the dominance. We'll look at the USDT dominance. We'll look at a lot of different things. But there's going to be a short-term top at least. Then the question is there going to be an end of the year rally? Is there going to be another rally like what happened in 2021? I can't give you a clear answer right now, but I can tell you, I'll give you a better answer when we get to the short-term top, which is not yet, right? Again, we're in greed. We're waiting for extreme greed, plus a lot of other things I talk about with you guys. So make sure you lock in. Let's end this video with Jasmy. Okay, I made a little Jasmy update yesterday, but I want to tell you what's kind of going on here. So right now, looking at a weekly time frame, or I'm sorry, this is a daily time frame. We have a stochastic cross, which is bullish right here. You can see the last time we were this low and we crossed, what happened? The last several times, last 2 times. So this is good. The other good sign for Jasmy is we're making higher highs and higher lows. You could see that right here, really important, guys. We actually held that support. So we held the support of like 17, 1-7, okay? You can see we wicked a couple times right there, but now we're going green. This is a very good sign. So the higher lows, the higher highs, and then also you can see right here, we have a MACD, the blue line's under the red, and I'm waiting for this thing to cross, and I would expect Jasmy to make new highs, okay? I believe Jasmy will, obviously, in the short term, break the 2-1 level. Right now we're at 1788, okay? That's that high over there, and I think we're going to go much higher, like I've explained to you guys. Worst case scenario, and again, I can't give you an answer right now. We have to see how Bitcoin's doing, Ethereum's. We have to see how everything develops. But worst case scenario, we're going to retrace back to about 4 pennies for Jasmy. I do ultimately believe we're going to make new highs, though, past the 6 cent range. And that's just my thought on it. Again, not financial advice. Do more research, guys. I appreciate you for being here. We'll see you on the next one.